Here is my really old and generic heater. And here's the third video on it. I know it's not in frame, but there's the whole video of it. So this is the generic round heater that I believe is broken because it doesn't sound too good. And I just got my other heater. I got that one back in December. And I'll be going back to the auction probably to find some more heaters that aren't so dirty. I had to literally take this apart. It was so dirty when I got it, and then even that, it still smelled like burning when it was on. But yeah, it's not a total disappointment heater, but it's okay. It's not a total disappointment, but it's I have a few complaints with it. Is that, like I said, it smells like burning even on low heat, and then it also rattles. Whereas with my other heater, I mean, it is kind of dirty too, but if you guys will just grab that one. Okay. And the fuse thing is kind of messed up. It's already peeling off. But before I got out my other heater, and if you want to see it, it's right here. So it's round. It's actually pretty lightweight too. I wanted to get one of those like backpack shaped heaters, but yeah, I've seen those home heaters, but they have like 4 blades, not 2 like these ones are. There's the back of it. There's the motor, and there's a little pad right there. And then it also has a fused plug, I believe. And then if I turn it over to the bottom here, it's got a little safety switch, and then that's the model number. So before I start this one up, I'm going to show you how this one right here runs. Before I start this one up, just see how nice and smooth sounding this heater is. If I can get it like that, okay. If I can get this, okay, alright. If I can get in the video here. Alright. You can hear that this heater, you've heard my other heater before, but that heater is, okay. As you can tell, okay, actually, I should run this heater first before I run that heater, just to show you how bad sounding, how bad it sounds. So here's on. If the video quality is even that good. I'm gonna put my hand on it as it's starting up, so. And oh my god, I can feel the shake. I'm assuming that's why this heater was so good. And like I said, yeah, this heater it'll be useful for a bit for more time with that other heater. All right. Okay, I guess here's just a free run. You hear it's loud, and I don't feel much. I definitely feel more from this other heater, but yeah. You can see my other heater. The first time I ran it, it sounded like this heater, but it didn't sound all that bad. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.